Setting up evergreen versus live launches for your course can make a huge difference in how you approach course sales and marketing. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we'll cover how to set up both strategies so you can decide which one fits your goals. Let's start with live launches. A live launch is exactly what it sounds like. You're opening enrollment for a limited time, often with a live event like a webinar or a product demo. This creates urgency, excitement, and scarcity around your offer. To set this up, you need a few key components: an email list, a solid sales page, and an automated email sequence to nurture and remind prospects before, during, and after the live event. Here's a pro tip. Use a countdown timer on your sales page to highlight urgency and build FOMO, fear of missing out. Keep your messaging direct, explaining why your course is the solution to their problem and why now is the best time to get in. Now, let's talk about evergreen launches. An evergreen launch is where you automate the sales process, so it's available at any time. This means no live events. Instead, you set up an automated webinar or video sales funnel that prospects can access whenever they're ready to buy. You'll need to build a series of email sequences that lead your prospects to the point where they're ready to make a purchase. But unlike live launches, this process doesn't have a strict start or end date. For an evergreen funnel, the key is creating content that engages and nurtures leads automatically. This includes using a well-crafted email campaign that educates, builds trust, and eventually leads to your course offer. You'll also want to set up retargeting ads to bring people back into the funnel if they don't buy right away. The great thing about evergreen launches is that they work for you 24/7. But the trade-off? You'll need to put more effort into creating high-quality, value-driven content upfront to make sure that funnel converts effectively. So, how do you decide between evergreen versus live launches for your course? If you have time-sensitive offers or new course features to announce, a live launch can generate a lot of buzz and drive a burst of sales in a short amount of time. On the other hand, if you prefer a hands-off approach and want a consistent stream of sales, an evergreen launch is the way to go. I've tested several software tools to help set up both of these strategies, and I'm recommending one to you in the description below. This software has a lot of powerful features to make launching, whether live or evergreen, much easier. Plus, I've arranged an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel, so you can follow along with the tutorial. Just check the link below. Key takeaway here: live launches create urgency and excitement, while evergreen launches allow for consistent automated sales. Decide based on how hands-on you want to be and what aligns best with your course's goals. To quickly recap, for live launches, focus on email sequences, live events, and limited time offers. For evergreen launches, set up automated funnels, nurturing email sequences, and retargeting ads. And don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial in the description if you want to follow along with the software I recommend. Thanks for watching.